Good afternoon, everybody. We are here, snowing outside today. It is cold outside today, and the market is red today. We got Dark Bro First first in the chat, baby. Slayer JC, man, how you doing? Second, third by Sky Stonify, Paul. Right, what's happening, Paul? Slayer, Dark Bro, Sky Stonify. We got Slayer, Paul, Dark Bro, Paul, Slayer, Dark Bro, Sky Stonify. We've got Dark Bro, Sky, Slayer, Dark Bro, Slayer, Sky, Tim, Slayer, Sky, Paul, Slayer, Dark Bro, Tim, Paul, Tim, Sky, Dark Bro, Rich, Kenneth, Rich. We got Dark Bro, Sky, Rich, Gorilla Invictus, Kenneth, Shredda, man, what's going on, Shredda, Kenneth, Slayer, everybody. Thank you very much for being in here right now. Let's go check the market out because Bitcoin and Shiba Inu coin and Ethereum and Terra Luna Classic and Dogecoin and all the cryptocurrencies are getting hit hard today, but it's all right, guys. I believe it's in anticipation of the Federal Reserve. Nothing to be terribly concerned about. The NASDAQ down about 2% on the day. Pretty hard day for the NASDAQ. 11,393 to close the day. GameStop 21.25 down here. Pure Therapeutics sitting at 440. AMC $5.01 close. $5.03 after hour. Ethereum sitting at 15.54, down 5.5% right now. Shiba Inu coin down 5.5%, 11.41. Dogecoin had a very nice run earlier, man. Ooh, up to 9.2 cents and right back down to 8.4 cents. Currently sitting at 8.7 cents. Very volatile day for Dogecoin. Coming over here, we've got Bitcoin sitting at $22,700. Might be on its way back up at the moment. Sundial closing at $2.18, down 4%. Mullen Auto, 32.5 cents. CEI, $1.88. The SPY, 472 after hours, 401.06. BBIG, 76.81 in anticipation of an earnings report, I believe, before the open tomorrow. We do not know when they're going to do it, but as far as I know, you guys can correct me if I'm wrong on this, as far as I know, if they do not list or report their earnings before tomorrow, then they are going to be delisted. Highcroft Mining sitting at 57 cents. Netflix 353.11. Terra Luna Classic 16.3 right now, down 6.8%. QQQ 290.27, down 2% on the day. APE sitting at $2.31. APE is looking very good. Was up nicely after hours Friday night, right, to $2.65 in anticipation of this vote that is going to allow APE and AMC to combine back into one stock. Fun little experiment Adam Aaron did, see how much money he could raise, and oh boy, did he raise hundreds of millions of dollars. And then we're going to go back down and we're going to watch Bitcoin throughout the evening here, evening, afternoon, depending on where you guys are at. Let's check everybody out 40 years younger today. Shredda, I like it, man. Shredda, is today your birthday, dude? Shredda, if today's your birthday, we got to sing happy birthday to you, man. Let me know. Bros and broettes, what's going on? Tony D, how you doing? Shredda, boom, baby, loving the dip today. Kenneth, eating it up. Herbo, what do you think of Fed holes will... What do you think the Fed holes? Who calls them the Fed holes, man? Oh, gosh. Hey, Gorilla, I gotta say, I've been around for a very long time, and I've never heard anybody refer to them as the Fed holes. I like it. What are the Fed holes going to do? 25 or 50 basis points. I think 25, we see 410 on the SP. Anything else, we go low 390s. So, Gorilla, yes, I also believe that the consensus is going to consensus this week. And consensus is currently calling for a 25 basis point rate hike. So, with that being said, do I necessarily agree a jump to 410? Let's see here. If we align with consensus and we're on the SPY, this is going to be an interesting one, man, because we are right here at this level of resistance. I don't think it's going to be impossible. I think you might be onto something there. This is basically where we are, 410-ish right here, and I believe confirmation of the consensus, yes, is going to be a good thing. That 410 range is not going to be impossible on the S&P 500, or the SPY, I should say, if we get a 25 basis point rate hike. I'm doubtful that we see anything above that, but I would also agree that 390 is the next level of support that's going to be tested if it comes in worse. But I'm not going to lie, dude. 390 is a very close one. I would not be terribly surprised to see 390 and or this 380 to 375. This is the bottom end of the wicks, but honestly, it could touch 380. So I would say yes, somewhere between the 390 and 380 range. If it comes in higher than expectations at a 50 basis point, which is not the end of the world, right? But I do expect declines if we see anything higher than consensus. If we are in line with consensus, I say we either continue this trend that we're currently on or we do see a nice little rally. I am extremely doubtful that we see anything below. Like, I am extremely doubtful we see no change. In the event that we see no change, yeah, I think we could go on a nice little rally, man, and possibly break through this resistance and touch 420s and stuff. But I'm talking like extremely doubtful. Not even going to consider it. But I think that's what would happen if we did see a no change on the interest rate decision from the Federals out there. Happy birthday. What's going on, Nick F? Yes, celebrating a birthday this morning, guys. Oh, and also, Shredda. Is it Shredda's birthday today? Shredda, is it your birthday, man? Shredda, if it's your birthday, dude, I got to sing happy birthday. Did he confirm that it was his birthday? I think he just said cheers, man. Is that all he said? What did Shredda say was his birthday? Shredda, if it's your birthday, man, I'm singing happy birthday to you. Somebody, happy birthday. You guys are saying it, but if it's true, I'm singing it to him. Garbageage for the garbage. Dude, we could garbageage all day. Yes. Federals equals OG Gorillaism. Sweet. Yes, Gorilla. I like it, man, because I've not heard Fed holes before. Sell AMC and buy APE. Not financial advice. Yeah, J-Bones. Let me tell you. So, not financial advice, right? But it does make sense, okay? If you're looking at the graph here and you see AMC in the top, and APE at the bottom, okay? APE is sitting around this $2.30 mark, and AMC is sitting around this $5 mark. When these shares are combined, they're going to equal one share. Now, I don't know where that share is going to end up. No. Hold on. Remind me tomorrow. This thing almost shut my computer down and restarted. Just remind me tomorrow. Don't shut off right now, please. Theoretically, if everything was even and everything was perfect, AMC would fall down and meet APE in the middle. So you're looking at $2.70, $2.70, split that in two, $1.35. You're dropping down to $3.65, okay? In a perfect world, AMC and APE combining would equal roughly $3.65. Now, we know that there are more shares of APE outstanding than there are AMC outstanding by almost double. So you guys can go ahead and take the averages, weight them appropriately. You know, your 900 plus million times the 231 on AMC, and then your 517 million times the 501 on AMC. Get your weights, add them all together, divide by 2, you've got your average price. In that sense, yes, I do believe that AMC could fall even further, and APE may not rise as much to meet in the middle there. But that is the theory behind where those two shares should meet up. Now, that's if you're taking the averages, right? If this does cause some sort of a squeeze or shorts to cover and stuff like that, you know, what I just said there can be blown out of the water. But when you are combining shares of AMC and APE, yes, APE should rise during this little ordeal, and AMC should fall during this ordeal to come up with your average price there. It's going to be a long year. I made it to the 4th floor. Shredda, very nice, man. Shredda, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shredda. Happy birthday to you, Shredda, man. Thank you very much for hanging out with us on your 40th lovely birthday. Very nice, dude. Congratulations on making it to 40. Congratulations on being a bro. Dude, congratulations on just being all around cool, hanging out in here. I like it. when glowstone to a penny, hopefully sooner rather than later, Outdoor Smile. I think you and Dark Bro would be very happy with glowstone to a penny. So just finalized 70 more acres today, just throwing it out there. Bro Coin could finance Bro Farm. We could sell eggs and bacon, pork chops, and homebrew in Bro Coin. Burn a percentage. I'm telling you right now, Tim, dude, 70 acres. This dude's gonna be encroaching on my land here in a second. Come on, Tim. We neighbors, dude? We neighbors? You got 70 acres that backs up into my backyard? I like it. Bro, my chat dropped. What's going on, Rich? Oh, how you doing? Glad to have you back in here. Asking the same thing, Outdoor. As Slayer said, oh, man. Guys, glowstone to a cent is going to be a massive, massive rise. If you guys hit glowstone to a cent, please remember your bro, Clay Bro, all right? Because you guys are going to be rich, dude. Basically, X plus Y divided by 2 equals value for AMC. Yes, and you gotta weight X and Y slightly differently, Gorilla Invictus, because of course there are different shares outstanding for AMC and APE. But you are correct. In a perfect world, that's what the price is going to be after they merge together. If it does trigger something, it's gonna be different. If people are upset by the reverse split, you know, you're going to see a drop-off in price as well. If people are encouraged by the reverse split, you're going to see the price go up. So there are several factors that are piling into this situation that don't make it very easy to estimate where the share price is going to end up. But in my estimate, okay, and in my viewpoint, I highly doubt that people perceive this reverse split as a good thing. That's me. I don't like reverse splits. But I highly doubt they see it as a good thing. And I would imagine you do see some sort of a decline in price. Let's see. Glowstone to a penny. Oh, I'm buying everything. Dark Bro, man, get it. The reverse split on Luna is the way to go. So, peace, love. Reverse split on Terra Luna is... Here's my thoughts on it. It's not going to create any additional value for you, okay? If you reverse split anything, you know, you're going to have... 100,000 times less coins than you currently have, or whatever it is going to take it to get up to $1. So you're going to have a ton less coins at $1. But if you reverse split it, or if they did something along those lines, which is not going to be easy because you got to get all these centralized exchanges on board, and you know, you have to make sure that everybody agrees to it and stuff like that. So it's not going to be simple. But that could theoretically be a better way to get USTC pegged up to $1 than the current route that they're going. The route that they're going it's a bold one, man. It's a bold one to me to get USTC pegged to $1 and therefore bring utility back to Terra Luna Classic, right? And manually manipulating the price by increasing and decreasing fees to encourage arbitrage is... at the least, very suspect, man. If you are manipulating the price that way, I highly doubt that regulators are going to be accepting of that. I really doubt that centralized exchanges are going to be okay with it in the face of everything that they've got going on right now. If you set the X and Y and cut out the Z, you can produce a quality machined product. Very nice, Pudgy. I like it, man. Pudgy's a machinist right there. I like it, Pudgy. Very good. Ooh, yeah. 28% on Ape. I thought I fingered it. Tim is killing it, dude. Hey, Glenn, this repeg could be the death of LUNC, yes or no? Rich, short answer, yes. Let's talk about that right after I say Moji. Congratulating Tim on a little... Nice, Moji. Thank you very much to the King Turkey. I know Tim is enjoying that one right there. Tim, thank you very much for loving the King Turkey so much. I'm sure that is compliments of Moji right there to you. Or Outdoor Smile, man. Or it could be for Outdoor Smile. I don't know who it was for. It was for somebody, and I hope they like it. Whoop, 2 months. Show me the money. Oh, yes. I'll take that authorized hydration right there. Thank you very much, Rich. for the 2-month member chat, man. That's how you guys grow, man. That's how you guys grow into these year-long members. 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. I like it. Rich, man, thank you very much for keeping that green name, dude. You are the man. What do you think will have happened with interest rates in crypto market on Wednesday with the Fed's announcement? So, Razi, I'm anticipating a consensus meet. I'm anticipating a 25 basis point rate hike right now. The previous inflation rate came down a little bit more than expected, and it was looking pretty good. I believe it's 6.5% there, right? So inflation rates aren't terribly concerning considering they are falling. Now, I do still believe we're slightly being lied to. When I go to you go to the grocery store and you see eggs are $4, $5, $6 a dozen, man, and they should be like $1 to $2 a dozen. That's not a 10%. That's not a 6.5% inflation rate. It's like 300% inflation rate. So I know for a fact that real inflation is probably a lot higher for people than the 6.5% that they're showing us. It's just almost guaranteed based on what you buy on a daily basis with gas, man. Gas sitting at $3.60, $3.70 a gallon right now or more, obviously if you're in California. Eggs, ridiculously high. Groceries continue to be ridiculously high. I know inflation is probably worse than they're telling us. But with it coming down on the reported inflation, I do believe that they are going to take this next one pretty slow. And it's going to be a 25 basis point rate hike. If they come in there, I don't expect it to be bad. Okay? I expect it to be good news. And at the minimum, maintain the current trajectory. We're sitting right around this resistance level right now. So I wouldn't expect a major sell-off at all, but I don't necessarily expect a major bump if the market's already priced in a 25 basis point rate hike. Let's see. Guys, keep me sane. Heck yeah, Rich. You keep me sane, man. Cheers, bro. Heck yeah, like. Congrats, Rich. Oh, yeah, next level. Boom, baby. All right. Punch ridiculously high. Something I missed it. However, the inflation rate didn't decrease. They are compared to a year ago. And a year ago, inflation sucked. Poop to poop. Yeah, it's poop compared to rising poop. So it didn't necessarily decrease. I know that. It's not that prices are decreasing. It's that high prices or higher prices are being compared to already high prices. And because they may have been rising quicker back in, I don't even know what month we're in. The last reading was probably for the December mark. So because they were rising already in December of 2021, when we got the reading for December of 2022, then it was rising, but it was being compared to an already rising rate, which helped it look lower. John J. Fist, bump, fist, bump, fist, bump, fist, boom. John J, man, thank you very much for the fist bump. Absolutely loving it, man. Appreciate you, John J. Anyway, we can sew Jerome Powell's mouth shut for the foreseeable future. Johnstontown. Gosh, dude. Listen, somebody's going to have to go on the Federal Reserve's website, see if they've got an intern position. Take some chapstick, replace the chapstick with super glue. Make sure that you give him a salty drink or something and really dry that dude's lips out. He's going to say, oh, I don't have any chapstick. You're going to say, oh, I got a brand new tube right here. And you hand the brand new tube. He unseals it himself so that he thinks it is a brand new tube because nobody's going to borrow your chapstick. And then when he puts the chapstick on, I don't know what's going on with this camera. When he puts the chapstick on, it's actually super glue. And then, he's probably not going to be able to get that handled by the press conference on Wednesday. So you're going to have to act fast, man. You're going to have to act fast because they're going to have to hire you as an intern. You're going to have to start before Wednesday. I got to see if somebody's messaging or what the heck's going on with this right here. Yeah, dude. Brother and his friend, a stupid group message. These guys are probably going to be going all afternoon. That's the best plan I got. That's the best plan I got, man. If you want to take out Jerome Powell's lips by Wednesday, infiltrate the Fed, act as a intern, make his lips dry out. I don't care if you take him out in the cold, give him a salty drink or something, dry his lips up, man. Then give him some new chapstick because he's not going to use your used chapstick, but make sure it's replaced with super glue by the time you do it. The best I got, dude. Let's see. Fed's math on inflation does not represent anything that is it is real ever. It's pretty much common core math. It makes 0 sense. I defer to Billy Madison, and may God have mercy on our souls. Gorilla Invictus, you are correct on that one, my friend. Mr. Beast paying for 1,000 low-income LASIK surgeries. Amazing. Okay, so Moji, I did not watch that video, but I did see that video, and he did 1,000 blind people or whatever able to see. I saw the video, and apparently it was a different video. If you watch all of his channels, was it a similar, because I know he was all worried about the pacing and everything in a different type of video. Was it similar to some more of his like Beast philanthropy videos, or was it different? Because it was the best 10 I saw on Twitter, man. He posted it, and it was the best video out of his last 10 videos. He had like 12.9 million views in 5 hours, which is just nuts, man. Current weather: Miami 81 and mostly sunny. Oh my gosh, dude. Snowing on and off and 32 degrees here in Ohio. Pound needs to say what we need to hear and then shut up for the rest of the fun. He's not going to do it, though. I give people chapstick all the time and say, now, kiss my... Slayer JC! Thank you very much for the... Meow. 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 Thank you very much, Slayer GC, for the little kitty cat. Absolutely love it, man. Guys, I don't know what it is. You know, you do that one the first couple times, it really makes you nervous and wants you to cringe. I don't even sweat on it anymore. I don't even sweat it anymore. Slayer, thank you very much for the black cat. Smash the like button, no spam, keep comments respectful. Heck yeah, listen to Frank, guys. Clicking about 1,000 nanas for low potassium peep. Now, Moji, that actually might be a good idea. That might be a really good idea. And then we could all lick it and stick it together. Dude, that's a video right there. That is a video right there. Think about that, man. You get 1,000 like slow-mo licking sticks going on at the same time. I know people would watch it. Moji would probably watch it 2 or 3 times. 4 degrees in northern Colorado. Indeed, that is way too cold, man. You almost got him, Pudgy. No. Nobody almost got anybody. My words can be seen and read, and I'm hot. Sean, what are you... Oh, gosh. Yes. Sean, we can see your words and we can read them, man. It's true. Born and raised in Kansas City, lived through 35 tornadoes, 10 microbursts, handful of monsoons, 2 ice storms, 3 dangers below zero with negative wind chills, and I still live here. It snowed 5, It snowed 5 something, 1997. John Jay, man. How do you know how many tornadoes you've lived through? Because obviously we have tornadoes here in Ohio, right? But like, I don't know how many tornadoes we've had. Are you talking like bad tornadoes, where like people around your house, their houses were literally destroyed? Or are you talking about like, you know, for some reason how many tornadoes touched down in the vicinity of your house? I feel like that's a lot to... I feel like that's hard to track, man. Heck yeah, group licking Dark Bros in on it, man. Red day in the market. Hey, crypto. Yes, it was a red day, man. Shout out Steve, my bro. The famous one. Shout it out. Slayer JC says, all right, 1 at a time, man. We're going to be licking and sticking 1 at a time. You take that banana, you tilt the head back, you lick it, and you stick it. Thank you very much, Slayer JC, for the banana, man. And, yes, coming soon to a Claybro theater near you, a lick and stick times 1,000 people. May of 1997, it snowed. Dang, dude, May of 1997? It's a very strange snow in May. I mean, maybe not if you're in, like, Alaska or something, but... Not impossible, but man, you shouldn't be snowing in May. Should not be snowing. Someone is having a good time. Somebody's always having a good time, man. Always having a good time. Doobie-doobie-doo. J-Bones. There are you. Rollin' doobie-doo. That's Scooby-Doo, man. Scooby-Doo. The new theme song of this live stream should be Candy Shop. I'll let you lick a lollipop. Oh my gosh. Trailer's gonna be lit. Oh gosh, man. Dark Bro, you're in charge of the trailer, man. I've exited my AMC cash secure puts and looking to exit my shares and cover calls. I do not have confidence in Adam Aaron and AMC, not even for options. Frank, I'm telling you right now, man, the options are gonna get dicey with that reverse split there. I I wouldn't want to mess with it either. I don't blame you, dude. I don't blame you. I don't know what I'm going to end up doing if, I don't know what I'm going to end up doing. I'm definitely voting no, just because I want to vote no. I'm going to hold my shares through February 8th, but I don't know, man. I really don't want to see this thing just die out, dude. Oh, is it time though? Like, is it time to just give it up, or what do you do, man? It's been a long time coming, but yeah, I don't know about Adam Aaron. Doobie Brothers, all right, I'll take it. Still here and sipping on apple juice, paying attention at the moment. Shredda, happy birthday once more, Shredda. Sipping on apple juice, I like it, dude. Apple juice is good. No snow in North Carolina coast. Good, Kenneth. We get snow here today, man. Snowing on and off today. It's a nasty snow. Like, as soon as it touches down, it just turns into water. It's like 32 degrees outside today. Nonetheless, you got snow, but it doesn't want to stick. Yeah, it's a mess, man. First concert, J-Bones, 1974. Dude, I wasn't even, like, a remote of a thought in 1974, and my dude Mo G's going to concerts. This is crazy. I wasn't even like, no, there was not even an idea in 1974. I was 1 year old. Next Level. Next Level, they did have an idea about Next Level. They didn't know what Next Level was going to do with his life, but they did have an idea about Next Level in 1974. Your boy Claybro? No, absolutely not. Why give up towards the end? AMC Trapper. Yeah, that's true. I mean, it is true. I've held this far, right? I've held this far, dude. That's like, my ship is sunk, but why would I stop swimming? My ship is sunk, but I'm not going to stop swimming just yet. There you go. Somebody providing a little bit of encouragement there. AMC Trapper, I like it, man. Wasn't even close to being an idea. Exactly, Slayer JC. Exactly. If I can exit my 300 shares on long-term retirement portfolio option to $5 strike, it's only a $124 loss. Not bad at all, Frank. Not bad at all. We're the girls, Pika, Emma, Sarah. They must be sleeping, Rozzy. Hopefully they're all doing okay today. You're a baby. Moji, I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you, little baby boy. Hood bro, nasty snow. This is nasty snow if you drive. And I do drive a Forte, man. So it is some nasty snow. Yes, it's wet. It just turns into water. It doesn't look good. There's nothing good about it. Wanna, are you out there? Wanna, are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay, Wanna? I'm glad to see Claybro in the house. Hit the like button for this awesome channel with a repeg, a USTC to $1. How fast do you think it'll take that to affect? Okay, so Sean, yeah, I kind of want to discuss this, man, because I think it was Kenneth. Somebody asked about this a minute ago, and I went on a super chat or something and then forgot about it. So if USTC, if this peg, if this ziggurat style repeg begins to work, it is going to be inspiring, okay? It's going to be inspiring to Terra Luna Classic. If this thing passes, okay, great. But then the work begins. It is not going to be simple, Sean, to convince Binance and KuCoin and Mexi Global and all of these exchanges to manipulate or allow the manipulation of USTC's price, to stair-step it up and create arbitrage opportunities to raise that price to $1. That is going to be probably the most difficult part of this entire thing. If for some unknown reason they are on board with it, I think people are going to be very, very excited, because I do think that it is possible to see it repeg to $1. I think that people are going to see that possibility and they're going to want to buy it. They're going to say, well, shoot, this chain actually is rebuilding to where it once was. And I think they're going to want to buy Terra Luna Classic, and I think that you're going to see the price of USTC soaring. So that's the good news. The bad news is, okay, if regulators get drift of the fact that USTC is going to be purposefully manipulated back up to $1, I highly, highly doubt that they will find that acceptable, man. I think that people are going to be looking at some very serious consequences if they're trying to manipulate the price up. Same deal for exchanges. I think exchanges are going to realize we can't have the price of some coin where we manually manipulate it and creating arbitrage opportunities to raise the price to $1. So I don't think that they're going to be on board with it in the first place. So it is going to have its very difficult, it's going to have a very difficult time making it through that just initial stage of getting off the ground. So worst case scenario, people jump on board with it and they're doing it, and then regulators don't like it and they literally decide to try and shut it down or sue people or, you know, halt the blockchain. That would be worst case scenario. The best case scenario, these guys go along with it, man. Nobody cares at all. We're manipulating the price back up to $1, and the exchanges are on board, and we rebuild the blockchain. Let's see. If they do a reverse split on LUNC, I'm selling my 52 million shares, and I will rebuy when it's done. Yeah, not a bad. Hey, Kenneth, that's not a bad idea, man. I don't know if they're going to reverse split LUNC or not. I don't necessarily think it's a good idea to reverse split LUNC, but reverse splitting USTC could be a way to get it pegged back to that dollar area. Let's see. I'm not buying your argument. Which one, Stray? Which one? The one about USTC and Terra Luna Classic, or which one you're not buying? I'm not trying to sell it, so you don't have to worry about that, but I might be able to reiterate it in a different way that is more, I guess, meaningful. I can't bring up the live chat on my new computer. Mr. Brian, something's going on. Moji, I'm thinking Juana is gone. Oh, man. Clearroad didn't send her roses. Should have bought you flowers when I had the chance. God, dude. No, we're not going to start with that. Lowstone hitting $1 would be insane. That would be extremely insane. You need a new CPU, Brian. Heck yeah, well, the best. So I feel like the exchanges won't want to because of possible regulations. The arbitrage alone would be too risky. Rich, I agree, man. The thing is, exchanges aren't going to pass it. You know, they're not going to be voting on it. But I do think that the community probably will pass it, thinking that they want to give it a shot. But I don't think that the exchanges are ever going to accept it. I really don't. Pipe Dream Slayer, might as well smoke it. Something. Richie! Thank you very much for the super chat, Richie. Love this live stream and the videos. I work in Ohio doing some consulting on weekends and gave you a shout out on my video. Boom, baby. Guys, we got it. You guys got to go see Richie's video, man. Richie's Plane Talk. Is that the name of the channel? Richie's Plane Talk. Thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely love that, man. Let's see what we got right here. Richie's Plane Talk. Richie's Plane Talk. Is that the name of this channel? Yeah, let's see. Richie's Plane Talk. Richie's Plane Talk, man. Right? This is what you 73 subscribers. Guys, go jump on Richie's Plane Talk's YouTube channel right now. Richie, man, thank you very much for clicking that super chat there. Absolutely appreciate you, dude. Guys, Richie's got 73 subscribers. Let's get this dude above 100 before the end of the day here. I know you absolutely can. Richie, thank you very much. If you guys are in the chat right now, if you click on, I believe the little 3 dots on the top of Richie's chat there, you can click on view channel or go to Richie's Plane Talk channel or whatever. And I want to see you guys jump on Richie's channel there, man, and subscribe to his channel. Absolutely appreciate it. I'm going to go over, this is the wrong Chrome. I got to sign in. I got to go on the other Chrome. Hold on. I'm going to go subscribe to Richie's channel really quick on mine. But I got to do it on the other Chrome. Just hold on. All right, Richie, you got 74, man. The rest of these guys are slow. I don't know what they're doing right now, but I got you, Richie. Thank you very much for that super chat. I am subscribed to Richie's channel right now. You guys got to do it too, man. Go subscribe. Get the dude up to 100. He's at 74 right now. Only needs 26 subscribers. Make that man pass triple digits, please. Richie has been a huge support. Absolutely appreciate it, Richie. And go show that guy some love right now, man. Richie coming in hot. Yes, USTC repeg would help LUNC a lot. So Deshaun, man, it should. It should, because before, that's what the whole ecosystem was about. Being able to use this algorithmic stablecoin in USTC and pair it with Terra Luna Classic, and then every Terra Luna Classic USTC transaction was burning Terra Luna Classic, and it was able to create this environment where business could be created, and therefore that's why Terra Luna Classic was once supporting like a $50 billion valuation. So yes, if you were able to get a stable coin once more in its ecosystem, it would be beneficial for Terra Luna Classic. The downfall, right, is people's ideas and people's mentality. It failed once, it could probably fail again, is what they'll be thinking. And it may not just immediately spur it back up to where it was before, but if they begin to view its success and it doesn't just collapse, then yes, I think it could be absolutely beneficial for that. I really do. Have some faith. Let's have some faith, Bronado. Let's do it. Carlos, man. Richie in the house, baby. Boom. Richie 3.2 just bought for Shiba. Wow. Heaven, that is a huge buy. You're the man, Richie. You're the man, dude. Clint never budged, Heaven, man. I don't believe you. Or Chart never budged. I don't believe it. Well, he didn't buy it. Somebody else may have. I don't know. Clint, what's up? What's going on, Giovanni? How you doing, man? The Wolf just popped up on YouTube. Check it out, Heaven Mag. The Wolf of Wall Street. Is that what you're talking? Or the Wolf of Wall Street, right? Is that what his name is? Sub to Richie's Playing Talk out of pure principle for the bros. I like it. Gorilla, man. Thank you very much. Absolutely appreciate that. If that joint to repegs, I party. I like it, Outdoor Smile. Pika Power is in here. Hello, everyone. I'm behind at work, so I can't stay to listen. Leave a like if you haven't already. Have a great day, Pika. Thank you very much for being in here. Absolutely appreciate you. And enjoy the rest of your day, Pika. Ciao, Pika. It caused the crash. And what about regulation? Yeah, Richie's, I'm telling you, dude, regulation's not going to smile nicely on this idea of manually manipulating the price of USTC to get it back closer to $1. They're not going to like that idea. Will they do anything about it? I don't know. I really don't know. I mean, there's a lot that they have not done in the cryptocurrency space. I just know that they're not going to like that idea. And I doubt that decentralized exchanges like it either. Hyperchain, Wasim, man. I don't know anything about Hyperchain, dude. Let's see. Hyperchain. Let's see. Hey, you guys are doing... Hey, thank you guys very much. I see that 6 of us went over and subscribed to Richie's Plain Talk. Richie, I really appreciate that super chat by Richie, man. It's not the first one he sent, guys. Richie does have a channel here. He's got some good-looking videos right here. 79 subscribers. I know you guys could get that dude up to 100 if you just... And listen, you know, we don't have to go watch every single one of Richie's videos either. You know that. But it is a huge support when people go click that subscribe button. So it's very simple. If you guys want to help somebody else out in the chat, if you click the 3 dots on the side of their chat there by their name, you can actually click go to Richie Plain Talks channel, and then you can subscribe to his channel from there. So I would appreciate it if you guys did, man, because Richie looks like he's giving it a go here. Dude's got a lot of videos out there. Absolutely appreciate the support, and we gotta support the bros, man. We gotta support the bros. So yes, guys, go click on Richie, subscribe to my man right there, and we're gonna get him to 100. Moji, I love it, Moji. Pika, are you still in here? No. La pika pika, la pika pika, la pika 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 pika, la pika 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 pika, la pika pika, la pika pika, la pika 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 pika, la pika 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 pika, la pika pika, la pika pika, la pika 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 pika, la pika 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 pika. Last one, you guys better do it with me. La pika pika, la pika pika, la pika 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 pika. The pika 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 emoji, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely love that one. You guys, you cannot do that super chat right there and be in a bad mood. It is a beautiful one. I like it. I hope you guys like it, and I hope you hit me up with a little la pika pika, la pika pika. Yes, man. We need Prop and Maracas. I do need prop maracas, man. I gotta prop everything else. I need some prop maracas in here. Outdoor Smile, that's actually a really good idea, man. Next time I go to, it's like a dollar store, so I'm gonna see some maracas in there, I'm gonna get some. All right, let's see here. Hyperchain is what I was clicking on. Yeah. Hyperchain. Hyperchain X, right? That's what you got there? Yeah. Hyperchain X, guys. Let's see what you got on Hyperchain X right here. Whoo! A 72% gain. And that is down big from where it was earlier today. Look at this bad boy right here, man. Running from 0.002 all the way up to 0.007 in the last 24 hours. Back down to 0.004 right now, 0.03869 or 65, sorry. But this bad boy running from 0.017 earlier today at the low up to 0.073. Hyperchain is really volatile. Guys, I don't know if this price is being, manipulated or what the deal is, but this is crazy. A $500,000 market cap, $1.8 million being traded today. It is not a brand new coin coming out in October, okay? Coming out in October is literally done nothing, but has had very high volume, except for the end of December here, $20, $0, $0, $100. Like, the volume died off at the end of December. Nothing going on, and then some massive spikes, okay? These massive spikes going from about 100,000 to 2.5 million, 100,000 to 2.5 million, 100,000 to 2.5. Something, like you guys can see these spikes down here in the volume, spiking up, selling off, spiking up, selling off, spiking up, selling off, spiking up, selling off, okay? This is in the sell-off phase. Watch out for it. The good news is it has continued to rise over the end of January here. This last week has looked very nice. But we were in kind of like a sell-off, fall-off cycle right at the moment here at the end of the day today. But nonetheless, man, going from 3 zeros and a 1-1. Gosh, dude, just like last month, 3 zeros and a 1-1 has already 38x'd from that level to 0.038. That is a massive increase, man, on a $500,000 market cap right there. From what was, this is going to show up blank, yeah. 30x increase, man. You're talking, this was 10x increase, 50 grand. Gosh, dude, this was $15,000 project turning into a $500,000 project over the last month. Wild. I don't know what HyperX is, dude. Could be a bad coin. Could be manipulated price. I don't know, Wasim, but that is some wild price action right there. Wasim, man, you taking advantage of it? Did you make any money on it? I'll go subscribe. I want to say to have this chat on my phone. No 3 dots on my phone. Rich. All right. I don't know why it's not showing you 3 dots. Any thoughts on LLAP? Decent market cap, solid contracts, and general consensus, $12. Gorilla, we'll check that out in 2 seconds. Why doesn't LUNC community decide to burn trillions of coins like the Floki community apparently did the other day? Hence the rise in Floki price. Matthew, the only thing I can think of is that they don't want to burn their community pool. That's the only thing I can think of, man, is that they wouldn't want to vote to burn the community pool. Coinbase, I think, has a glitch because DDX said 11,000 this morning, but it's only 40 cents. Yeah, Heaven, that could very well be a glitch, man. That does happen sometimes. If it gets LUNC to 50 cents, I'm fine with the reverse split. I'll take my $26 million and see you on the next one. Yeah, Kenneth, I'd be very happy with that as well, dude. Very, very happy. Never had fear of missing out. Just had missing out and playing it. So, yeah, no, never fear of it. We just miss out, guys. That's all. Big believer in Alpha Left Zero Crypto. Currently holds 677 cents a coin. It's around $1.20. They just posted that they're working with Department of Transportation. Caesar, very nice, man. Guys, let's check out some of these projects. I see Litecoin in future. Project Moon, man. My Litecoin might be in my future, man. It might. It's invested $18 last week, which you $200. Wasim, very nice, dude. Look, guys, he's not going to retire off $296, but 18 into a project. I mean, if you guys want to risk $18, I don't know anybody that's going to lose their home over $18. I don't know anybody who's going to not be able to eat a meal over an $18 play, but Wasim, dude, very nice, taking $18 to 296. Hey, man, listen, Wasim, that does deserve a congratulations, man. That's a huge move. Absolute awesome. It would have been nice if it was $18,000 to $296,000, right? But hey, nobody wants to risk $18,000 on a project that's worth $15,000. So very nice move, Wasim. I like it. Should look like a flat line. Is it sleeping? If so, I'm loading up, playing. You know what, John Jay? I don't know why Shib looks like that right now. Shiba Inu coin does have a lot going on with Shibarium, but over the day, it's just been following Bitcoin. You can see, man. Bitcoin getting ripped lower, Shiba Inu coin getting ripped lower earlier today, trying to bounce back a little bit, but might be on its next leg down. I think the cryptocurrency market is anticipating the Federal Reserve announcement later on in the week, but that's my thoughts on why it's going down. Not that Polkadot. Gotcha. Oh. Well, dude, Caesar, man, you got to be more specific. Very nice, though, Caesar. We'll look. I'm going to try to look at that in 2 seconds, but first, I got to give you guys a little. Thank you very much, Clay Bros Peach. Moji, man, did you touch it? X-Man was just checking it. Just wanted to play safe. Hey, Wasim, dude, you killed that. Playing it safe on those is the best way to go because those coins like that could absolutely be a trap, dude. And nobody wants to get trapped with hundreds of dollars or thousands of dollars. Getting trapped with $18-20, whatever. But yeah, nobody wants to get trapped with hundreds or thousands of dollars, man. So very nicely played. $18 to 296. I like it, man. Have a look out for crypto. Anything you think the max price could be, cut that in half or more for realistic outlook, or at least around that price. Yeah, you know what, Dark Bro? That's just playing it a little bit more conservative, man. That's not bad at all. Hoping Shib is a sleeping giant. Next level. Yeah, dude. I hope that Shibarium, when it comes out, I hope that a lot of people end up using Shibarium, man. All right, let's see. As I only invested $18, made a decision to sell at 296. I earned a loot as compared to 18. Dude, you did. Wasim, man. 100% killed that trade, man. Now, I want to come over here. I want to see if any of you guys actually did well. You guys got Richie's playing talk. Did you get him up to any more? Still sitting at 82 subscribers. I'm telling you guys, you can get that bad boy to 100. There's a big difference in seeing 82 and going triple digits. So you want to help Richie's playing talk out, man? Help Richie's playing talk out. All you got to do is click the subscribe button on his channel there. We got him 10 subscribers. I know that we can get him out of these 78 in here. I know we can get that guy above 100. So appreciate everybody who's done so far. So if the founder of Bitcoin actually the owner of Shiba as well? No. So Heaven Mag, there's no way that Satoshi is Shitoshi. These are different guys, right? It's not going to be the same guy that created Bitcoin. J Bones! Thank you for the mustache. Thank you very much for the mustache. Thank you very much for the mustache, J Bones. Appreciate you, man. I know you like that mustache as well. It's a good mustache right there. Who loves tacos? John J. Me, man. I love tacos. Back a couple of years ago, I made $75 on a 350 with Ethereum Classic when it shot up to 175. Can you get Ethereum Classic? Do you think it will go high? Yeah, so I do think Ethereum Classic is going to go higher. I remember that, man. Razi. That is when everybody, Ethereum was running up, but everybody accidentally thought that Ethereum Classic was Ethereum. So they went out there and they bought a ton of Ethereum. Let's see if it's on the chart here. Yeah. So Ethereum was running up in 2021 here, and people just mistakenly took Ethereum Classic for Ethereum. It went, this is a weekly chart, so this is a couple month period here. But a couple month period going from $6 to like basically January to May, from $6 to $173. A massive run in Ethereum Classic. Now, do I think it can go back up? Yes. Do I think it's going to go back up to 173? Probably not. I truly believe that this was a mistake, that it ran up to 173 here. But I don't think that these levels are impossible, man. you know, 50, 60, $75. I don't think that those levels are impossible on Ethereum Classic. And if you look at this weekly chart here, you can actually see, man, that it's been following a decent trend line since the run up there. And almost looking like this is the major support level right here. And on a weekly chart could be forming a nice little wedge down here into June, July of this year. So that's what I'd be looking on Ethereum Classic right there. Just really checking it out right now. But yeah, I do think it'll go higher once the bull market returns. But I think this was a mistake rally, honestly. People thought this was Ethereum, and they were buying Classic instead of the actual Ethereum that they should be buying. Click subscribe, become a bro. Listen to Wasim right there, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well if you haven't done so already. It has been very, very, very difficult coming by subscribers and views and everything over the last couple of months. Please don't forget to share the channel, tell your friends about it, all that stuff. Hang out, make some money, buy some crypto, buy some stocks. But yes, definitely click that subscribe button. Let's see. Clear up 8-ball question. Get out of high now or hold a bit longer? Okay, well, I don't know. You can't say hold a bit longer. We're just going to say, should we get out of it now? Because that's the yes/no question. Should Tim get out of high right now? Well, Tim, I don't know, man. The 8-ball is just like you. I don't know why the camera's not. Cannot predict now. Cannot predict right now, Tim. We got to wait. I don't know what we got to wait for. I cannot predict it right now. You're going to have to ask me again in a minute because the 8-ball is a little fuzzy right now. I'm holding a bit higher. Emoji's holding a bit higher. Like it, so we'll see you, Mr. Brian. Heck yeah. Tim, what goes up must come down. Listen to this guy, man. This guy talking about gravity over there. I like it. Okay, should we get high now? Oh, outdoors smile. I see what you did there, man. I see what you did there. And the 8-ball does not condone that sort of behavior. I've watched Ethereum Classic for some time. It follows Ethereum pretty good with the ups and the downs. Look at both charts and watch how it moves. All right, well, let's look at both charts right there. Let's do it. This is Ethereum Classic since May of 2021. Okay, nice rise up, kind of coming back down. If we go click on Ethereum, I don't know why I don't have Ethereum on the chart there. Yeah, I mean, it had a nicer, steady increase during that time frame. But yes, since the end of the bull market there, it continued to rise. Let's see. If this didn't spike up, okay, if this didn't spike up, I think it would have been much more similar. You would have had a gradual increase here, with this being the high, if people didn't mistake it back here. You would have had a nice gradual increase, and then you would have had your decline coming down since November of 2021. We would have had a nice gradual increase, and then coming down since 2021. So, yeah, I do think that they would be much more similar if Ethereum Classic didn't have that mistake spike up back in this area right here. This is when Ethereum ran from 2,000 up to 4,000, and it doubled in price. Well, Ethereum Classic during that time frame ran from $30 to $170. So people definitely thought they were getting a deal, and a deal of a lifetime, man. But doubling in price here, and then like what, man? 6xing, 7xing. Yeah, you definitely did better in Ethereum Classic here, but it was a mistake rally. Let's see. 8-ball, you drunk? Go home. Yeah, 8-ball is not doing it right now. Clear, check high. Let's check high right now. What is high doing? And let's see here. I was on Richie's channel. Is it High Street? Is that what you're looking at there? Is it this? Or are you talking a stock, or what are you talking, man? Because High, H-I-G-H, High Street, is currently down 12% on the day. And over the last 7 days, it's been having a nice rally, going from $1.28 up to $3.71. So yeah, doubling over the last couple of days on nice rising volume. Volume $580 million. This is nuts, man. $580 million traded and a market cap of $31 million. So there's a huge amount of activity going on with High Street right now. I don't know why. I don't know what they're doing. But yeah, man, they have really high volume. Let's see. I'm out. Have a great day, peeps. Moji, enjoy the rest of your day. Appreciate you being in here, man. Thank you very much. And I don't know, dude. If you got to go to work, dude, don't work too hard today. Later, Mo. Yes, drop a link. It'll be easier. Shredder, you talking about you talking about Richie's YouTube, or are you talking about something else? Yep, yeah, dude, Tim, it looks really good, actually. Clay, I have a question. Is LUNC the possibility to reach $1? What are your thoughts? So, Esco, at the current supply, no, okay? I don't think the Terra Luna Classic with 7 trillion coins outstanding is going to reach $1. I don't know how many people actually would believe that. With the current outstanding supply, that would give you a $7 trillion valuation. Now, if we've got USTC repegged, if we're burning massive amounts based on extremely high volume, then I do think Terra Luna Classic could go to $1. But you're going to need to burn, man. You're going to need to burn like 95 to 99% of the supply to realistically see Terra Luna Classic at that $1 price point. I don't think it happens just by luck, by chance, because we want it to. I think Terra Luna Classic to $1 is going to take a serious commitment and a ton of new money flowing in. So it is possible, but not with the current supply, man. I'm not trying to be hard on it, but it's not. De ripping de bongers, something. Just got off work. What I miss? Michael Kalea, you missed everything, but I'm glad you're here. I'm out, bros. Got to cook dinner. See you tomorrow. Later, Clay. Next level. Enjoy your night, man. Hopefully you make something good and it tastes delicious. Every financial goal requires patience, dedication, and consistent spirit, knowing that investment is currently the most lucrative business in the world, both NFT, real estate, and crypto positive. I like it. La Liga. And I agree with you. The most lucrative, I don't know. There are a lot of things that you can be a little bit more active in and have an actively participate in the price action with. Real estate, for example, if you are going to fix it up, you kind of have a very good idea of what your investment is going to be worth and what it is worth when you buy it. So I like that aspect of kind of buying and selling physical goods. But investing, man, there's no barrier to entry and there's literally no limit on how high you can scale. So investing, man, it opens the door for people with $10 and it allows you to scale up to billions of dollars. And one day, we might have the world's first trillionaire and therefore say trillions of dollars. So yeah, dude, I think investing is a great thing. Can you do VVS Finance? Yes, I think so. La Liga, how you doing, J Bones? What's going on? Rich, come, Mr. Dale me a banana. Yes, gotta go, bros. Well, we get a little authorized hydration. Thank you very much. And a little lick and a stick. Thank you very much, Rich, for the super chat, man. Love it. Appreciate you, dude. If you got to take off, thank you very much for being in here. Let's see. VVS Finance. Guys, let's check out VVS Finance just right quick. And guys, don't forget, please, Richie sent a nice super chat up there. One last call to subscribe to Richie Rich's channel, man. We got him up to 82 subscribers. I would absolutely appreciate it if anybody else could subscribe there and get him up to 100 subscribers. But if you just type in Richie's Plain Talk on YouTube, you'll be able to see him pull up, and he's got 82 current subscribers. VVS Finance currently down 4.70% at 0.000401. Pulling back a little bit on the day. Very, very, very low. Does this price, does VVS stand for very, very... What's a synonym for cheap? Starts with an S. Dang, man. I wasted my shot. It does look very cheap right now, Razi. $130 million market cap, $1 million being traded, and down 4% on the day, but has done nothing but basically hit lower lows since coming out at the end of 2021. So watch out for the fact that it has only ever fallen in price, but I believe that's because you've probably seen a lot of dilution. Yes, the overall market cap is actually not doing too bad at all. So the price looks so cheap because you've seen a lot of dilution. That's the thing you got to look out for, is that you don't want to get diluted and have a rising market cap, but you're losing value day after day. So watch out for that, man. And I know that they've got a lot of staking rewards, so that could be where the dilution comes from. But you want to make sure that you're participating in that so that you don't dilute yourself. See y'all, guys. It is 5 o'clock. I scale up every day. I'm working on those trillions. Kenneth, man, I love it. It is 5 o'clock, guys. Get your name in the chat right now. We'll do some shout outs, and we will be back this evening with videos at 7 p.m., videos at 8 p.m. Eastern time. Appreciate every single one of you guys. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Make sure to subscribe to literally anybody else's channel. But Richie's Plain Talk as well for sending that super chat there earlier. Richie, I'm going to try to get you to 100, man. 1776, 3-month member chat. Thank you very much, 1776. Thanks for the great content, Clay. 1776, man. Thanks for being amazing. Absolutely appreciate you being in here and keeping that name for 3 months, man. Love it, guys. Get your names in the chat. We'll do these shout-outs, and we're going to be back tonight with those videos. So we've got Esco, man. ESKO 777. See you later. KK Affordable. See you later. Enjoy your day. AMC Travis Hand. Peace out of the Diamond-Handed Apes. Tim, man. Enjoy your night. Shredda Slayer JC. Shredda, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shredda. Happy birthday to you. Shredda, man. Enjoy your day. And happy birthday to you. Slayer JC. Tim, man. Gorilla Invictus. Slayer JC. J Bones. Crypto Time. See you later. 1776. Tony D. J Bones. Sky Stonify content creator. Outdoor Smile. Michael, man. See you later. J Bones. Parka. David. Gorilla Invictus. 1776. Gorilla Invictus. We got AMC Trapper. DJ Kiddo. J Bones. La Liga. All of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Until the next time, Wasim. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Slayer! Almost all the time, man. You take that banana, you peel that banana, you tilt the head back, you lick it, and you stick it. Slayer, thank you very much for the lick and stick banana, man. Absolutely appreciate it. Oh, yeah. AMC Trappers catching that one before the end of it. We got shout-outs across the board, man. J-Bones, Wasim, Ronald, Esco, Gorilla, Slayer, JC, Wasim, Trapper. All of you guys know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.